Hi my dear students. In this video I am going to explain about the nomenclature of coordination compounds. Before going to the what are the rules for coordination nomenclature for coordination compounds, we should know about some basic things regarding nomenclature of coordination compounds. Okay, so in previous video I explained about what I mean by coordination compound. Now I am repeating again the bond formed between Lewis base and Lewis acid. Okay, so this type of the coordination compounds formed, the coordination bond formed between a Lewis base and Lewis acid. So what do you mean by Lewis base? Lewis acid and Lewis base. Okay, Lewis acid is a electron acceptor. Okay, Lewis acid is acts as a electron acceptor. Okay, according to some acid base theory. Okay, what do you mean by Lewis base? Electron donor. Okay, electron donor. Okay, what do you mean by Lewis acid? Means a molecule or a ion which can accept a electron is called as Lewis acid. What do you mean by Lewis base? A molecule or a ion which can donate a electron. Okay, so now I am taking one example, general example for Lewis acid and Lewis base. Okay, here imagine A is a central metal atom or a ion. So it contains 4 pairs of unpaired electrons. Okay, here lone pair, how many lone pairs are present? 1 lone pair of electrons are present. So it is this molecule ready to donate to these one pair this one pair of electrons to another molecule. Okay, here I consider X is a central molecule, so it is a central metal atom. It has empty field. So these A molecule or A atom donate its 2 electrons to this X molecule. So after donating its 2 electrons, a pair of electrons to another molecule, so it acts as a Lewis acid. Okay, it acts as a Lewis acid because Lewis base, because it donates, right? It donates its electrons, a pair of electrons to another molecule, so it acts as a Lewis base. Okay, what about X molecule or X atom? It accepted 2 electrons from A atom or A molecule, so it acts as a Lewis acid. Okay, the sharing pair of, so these type of bond is called as coordination compound. Okay, so what are the examples for Lewis acids and Lewis base? We can take up some examples regarding Lewis base and Lewis acid. Lewis base examples for Lewis base and Lewis acid. Okay, so Lewis acid, what are the examples? Okay, Cu2 plus and Fe2 plus and AlF3 and Fe3 plus and so on, etc. These are examples for Lewis acid. Okay, so why I mentioned +2, +3 and so on here? Because Lewis acid accepting electrons, right? So I mentioned plus charge. Okay, so what about example? What are the example for Lewis base? H2O, comma, H2O contains one pair of electrons, and CO, comma, and OH minus, comma, cyanide ion minus. Okay, water, CO and OH minus and cyanide ion. These are the examples for Lewis base. Okay, so this is the basic things for what is that, coordination compounds. Okay, after knowing this one, we should move on to taking some examples. So now I am taking some coordination compounds example. CO bracket NH3 6 times Cl3. Okay, so I am taking for coordination complex compounds. So in this complex, which is Lewis acid and which one is Lewis base, right? Okay, Lewis acid contain plus charge, right? So in this complex I am mentioning which is which part is acting as a Lewis acid and a Lewis base. So in this complex, CO plus 3 as acting as a Lewis acid. What do you mean by Lewis base? NH3 is acting as a Lewis base. Okay, another one example I am taking here. Ag NH3 twice Cl. Okay, here which one is Lewis acid and which one is Lewis base? Okay, here Lewis acid as Ag plus, and what I mean by Lewis base? NH3 here acting as a Lewis base. Okay, in similar way we can take another one example. Cu2 NH3 twice Cl. Okay, can close the bracket here. Cu2 NH3 twice Cl. This is another example. Here Lewis acid and is, which one is Lewis acid? Fe2 plus acting as a Lewis acid. Okay, in which example? Third one example. This one is second example. Okay, so Cu2 NH3 thrice, NH3 twice and Cl. In this complex, coordination complex, Lewis acid is, which one is? Fe2 plus is acting as a Lewis acid. What about Lewis base? Cyanide ion is acting as a Cn minus, acting as a Lewis base. Okay, so this is a basic things how coordination compounds acts as a Lewis base and Lewis acid in when the coordination complex bond takes place. So in next video we are going to start nomenclature of coordination compounds. Okay, thank you.